Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yeah. If anyone said to you Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, you say Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yeah, good Yusuf. How was your day?
good.
Great. Did you practice your lesson?
Yes,
Okay, please start your lesson.
yes. Okay. Mm, Alif.
Sorry, always before the lesson,
Yes, yes.
first you read out the Billah, Bismillah. Yeah.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah.
Uh,
Please listen to me and repeat again. A'udhu billahi bismillah with clear words.
okay.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Say
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
طان الرجيم. No, beta. But طان الرجيم.
الشيطان الرجيم.
Good. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Very good, Yusuf. Yusuf, now you tell me letters. What is this one?
Okay. ألف
Yeah,
با
good.
تا
Yeah.
تا
Sorry?
تا
Sa.
تا
Touch with your tongue tip, your up front teeth edge. Say sa.
تا
You can see here, like up front teeth edge. Sa.
سا
Sa. No, don't read it very strong, but you say it softly. Sa.
سا
Yeah, try to say again. Tha.
سا
Yes. And next,
جيم ها
from the middle of your throat, say ha,
ها
ha.
ها
Hmm.
خو
Yeah. Kho. Good job.
خو
Yeah.
دال
Yeah.
دال زال
Good.
را
Yes.
زا
MashaAllah. Very good.
سين
Great.
شين
Yeah.
ضاد
Sorry.
ضاد
Actually, there is difference between the sod and zod. So when
yeah
you see this one shape without dot, always
yeah
understand the without dot it will be
yeah
sod,
ضاد
sod.
ضاد
Yeah, it will be sod. Touch up and down up and down teeth together, and behind the teeth touch your tongue tip and say it bold with full mouth. Sod.
صاد
Sorry.
صاد
Next.
ضاد
Yeah. Now the next one is dod because has how is dod? Can you tell me?
dot on top.
Yeah, there is a dot on
Yeah.
the top of this one letter. That's why we will say it dod.
ضاد.
Yeah.
This one is um uh I don't remember.
There is a similar sound letter.
Okay.
Like, can you see here?
Yeah.
What is this one?
Ta.
It is similar to this one.
This
Do you
one is
understand?
to.
Good
To.
job. Good job. Yeah. Similar sound letters.
Yes.
What is this one?
To.
Just you clearly clear difference between these two letters and tell me what is the difference between these two letters.
The top one is ta, and the one down is to.
So what is the basically difference?
Um, the difference is, you mean on the letter or the sound?
Or on the letters are in the sound, how we can read the different both of them.
I mean, ta is like ta, and to is with like
Listen to me
to.
and understand the difference between the letters and between the sounds. Actually, there is a clear difference between the letters shapes. The shapes are
Yes.
changed. The first one is ta, has two dots up, and the second one is ta, is without dot and has a different shape. And also there is a difference, clear difference between the sounds or voices. The first one we will read lightly. Lightly. Thick or
Ta.
yeah, lightly mean thick or thin.
Thin.
Thin. The first one we will read always thin with thin
Okay.
sound. And the next one is a bold letter, because you can see here in the green color, everyone green color letter we will read with a full mouth and with a bold sound. So on this way we will make difference between the sounds of the letters. The second one is bold. To,
To.
how you will pronounce it? When you will touch your tongue tip behind the upfront teeth and you will say it with the full mouth, then you can pronounce it. To.
To.
Yeah, good job. What is the next after that?
Um. Zo.
Wa. Which one is a similar sound to this letter? Similar sound
Za.
letter. Zano, but is Zal. What is?
Yes. Dal.
Zal. Zal is
Dal.
similar. Zal has similar sound to
Uh,
Wa.
to. Yeah.
Wa. What is?
Zo.
Yes, Wa. After that, do you know?
I.
Yes, of course, is Ain. And we will say it from the middle of our throat as Ha. Same to Ha. Ha and Ain both we will pronounce from the middle of our throat. Say Ha.
Ha.
Ain.
Ein.
Yeah. What after that?
Rein.
Yes, it's Ghain. What is?
Rein.
Yeah. After that is today your new lesson, and you understand. And first, you tell me what is the next new letter. Do you know,
Is it cough?
sir? Is fa? What is?
Fa.
Yeah. Touch with your top teeth, edge your down lip, and say it. Fa.
Fa.
Yes. Fa.
Fa.
And what is the other one?
This one is. Mm,
Before you said this one.
is it. No, it's not
Of.
cough. Yes,
Yeah,
ta.
is qaf. We will pronounce it from the top of our throat. We will say from the top of our throat. Qaf.
Kof.
What is?
Kof.
Yeah, is qaf.
Kof.
Yeah. What is the difference basically between these two letters?
The difference is the one on the right is what was it?
Fa.
Fa.
What
And the
is?
one on the left is
Yeah.
Kof.
Qaf. So the first one is fa in the black color, and the second one is qaf.
Yeah.
Now describe to me the difference. Can you explain? Can you explain it?
The one on the right is like Fa, and the one on the left is Qaf.
Okay, listen to me
And
now.
the difference
Yeah,
is on the right it has only one dot and it's
yeah,
more wider,
yeah.
and the one on the left is two dots and is smaller.
Smaller. Yes, of course. Is a clear difference between the shapes and between the dots and between the pronunciation or the names. The
Yeah.
black one has a longer shape and has just one dot on the top of head and is called fa.
Fa,
Other one is a in round shape and has a head and on the top of head two dots. That's why we will say it qaf.
Qaf.
After that, can you tell me what's the next?
This one is I think it is
In Arabic letters, this one letter is called kaf, thin kaf.
Kaf.
We will
Kaf.
say it lightly or with thin sound. Kaf,
Kaf.
fa,
Fa.
of,
Qaf.
kaf.
Kaf.
After that is
Lam.
good job. From here, from this side, this one is like alif, and then on the bottom has a round shape. Lam.
Lam.
And last one.
Mim.
Good job. Today, from fa to meme, there are five letters, new five letters. Listen to me and say fa,
Fa.
of,
Qaf.
kaf,
Kaf.
lam,
Lam.
meme.
Mim.
Do you understand the new letters?
Yes.
One time you practice all of them.
Uh, Ta.
Okay, listen to me and
Ta.
say, yeah, to. Listen to me. Alif,
Alif.
ba,
Ba.
ta,
Ta.
fa,
Ta.
jim,
Jim.
ha.
Kha.
Sorry, softly. Ha,
Kha.
kho,
Kha.
dal,
Dal.
zal,
Zal.
ra,
Ra.
za,
Za.
sin,
Sin.
shin,
Shin.
صاد
Tad.
ضاد
Tad.
طا
Ta.
ظا
Za.
عين
Ain.
غين
غين
فا
فا
قاف
قاف
كاف
كاف
لام
لام
ميم.
ميم.
Do you understand, Yusuf Khan?
Yes.
You practice at home the all letters and
Yeah.
revise again and again.
Okay.
Tell me the first kalima.
First kalima tayyib.
Yeah.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Don't read very quickly. Say slowly.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
La ilaha illallah
La ilaha illallah
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammad Rasulullah.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammad Rasulullah.
Yeah, the second kalima.
Second kalima
Yes.
tamjid. No.
Second
Tamjid?
kalima is no,
No.
sorry.
Shahadat. Shahadat. Shahadat.
Yeah, second kalima is shahadat.
Second kalima shahadat. Can you start it for me, please?
Ashhadu
Ashhadu.
ashhadu an la ilaha
Ashhadu an la ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lahu
la sharika lahu
wa ashhadu anna
wa ashhadu anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu wa rasuluh.
abduhu wa rasuluh.
Can you repeat it by self now? Second kalma shahadat.
Um, can you start it, please?
Ashhadu
Ashhadu anna la ilaha
ashhadu an la ilaha
ashhadu an la ilaha
yeah,
wa illallah
illallahu
wa illallahu wa ashhadu anna
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika
la
lahu
sharika lahu
mm,
uh,
wa ashhadu anna
wa ashhadu anna
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan abduhu rasuluh.
Second kalma shahadat.
Yes.
Say
Second kalima shahadat.
ashhadu an la ilaha
Ashhadu an la ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lahu
la sharika lahu
wa ashhadu anna
wa ashhadu anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
wa arduhu
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Yeah, practice it and memorize it. First
Okay.
and second kalma. I'll listen and tell me before eating dua.
Um, what was it? Uh, okay.
Bismillahi.
Bismillahi wa
Hmm.
tawakkaltu ala Allah. No.
Bismillahi wa ala
Bismillah wa ala
barakatillah.
barakatillah.
Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah.
Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Okay. Yes.
If you forget it, what you will say after that when you will remember? Bismillahi awwalahu.
Awwalahu.
Bismillahi
Bismillahi
awwalahu
awwalahu
wa akhirahu.
wa akhirahu.
Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Fi amanillah.